Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I've partnered up with Sephora inside JCPenney, and I'm going to be sharing with you guys the new Kat Von D Beauty Go Big or Go Home Mascara. This is a brand new mascara from Kat Von D Beauty, and it has a lot of claims on it that we are going to be testing in this video. This mascara claims to give you extreme volume, no smudging, no flaking, and long wear, so you'll have black lashes all day. All of the products I'm using in today's video are available at your local Sephora inside JCPenney, as well as the new Kat Von D Beauty Go Big or Go Home Mascara. So if you want to check it out, be sure you stop in store. Now let's get into the video. So before we jump into the Go Big or Go Home Mascara, I'm gonna share how I did my base with you guys. So I went in with the Kat Von D Beauty Hydrating Primer, and this is so nice paired with the Lock-It Foundation, and the shade I used is Medium 52. I love this foundation. It's really full coverage, and you just need a tiny bit of it to get that full coverage look. If you like extra full coverage, use 2 pea-sized drops. If you just want plain full coverage, use 1. I like using 2 because I love that extra full coverage. For concealer, I use the Lock-It Concealer Cream in the shade L9. For contour and for bronzer, I use the Shade and Light Cream Contour Palette, and I love using cream products for more of like a dewy look to my skin, and this is really nice for this time of year if you want that type of summery look. I love the cream contours in here. They're very, very creamy and easy to blend in. I used this shade here. It's my favorite shade in the whole palette just to contour my face. And I went ahead and set that with the Lock-It Setting Powder in Translucent, and this is so good for baking or for just setting your whole face. And then for blush, I use the Fetish Blush and Highlighter Palette. I use the shade Magic and Salem. And I took that shade Magic, which is the highlighter, and just put it all over the blush area so it gives a soft highlight to the skin. And then just to set everything in, I use the Lock-It Makeup Setting Mist, and this really does lock everything down for the full day. It's not gonna move when you use this spray. It also smells so nice. It feels really refreshing. And what I love most about it is it does melt down a lot of the powders. So if you do have a lot of powder on, it's gonna make your skin look more like skin and less like makeup. And I almost forgot the lip. I love this fuchsia liquid lipstick. This is the Everlasting liquid lipstick in the shade K-Dub. This is so bright. It's really pretty. And I just tapped over a little bit of lip balm on the center of my lips to make it a little bit glossy and more like a satin finish rather than like a matte. This is the Kat Von D Beauty Go Big or Go Home Mascara. This is a cruelty-free and vegan mascara, and it is powered by plant-based fats. You guys are probably wondering, what is plant-based fats? So Kat Von D Beauty has actually replaced the beeswax that is found in most mascaras with a vegan blend of sunflower and olive oil. So that sounds really good for your lashes, but it will also give you that extreme volume look for your lashes. And I love the artwork on the front. It says Go Big or Go Home. The only way to do it. The wand is actually really large. It is large and fluffy, and it's actually called a fluff brush. It also has wavy fiber bristles when you take a look at the wand, and that is going to coat each lash with fluffy full coverage. It comes in Kat Von D Beauty's highly pigmented and iconic shade Trooper Black. If you guys have the tattoo liner, you know all about Trooper Black. It is very, very black. There are some clinical results on this mascara, so 100% agreed that this product delivers an eye-opening effect. 97% said this product remained intensely black throughout the day. 90% agreed this product delivers a dense lash look. Before you apply the Go Big or Go Home mascara, you're gonna wanna make sure to swivel your brush inside. So you wanna swirl before you apply to make sure that your wand is completely coated in the formula. So now I'm gonna zoom you guys in so you can see my lashes up close and personal to see how this mascara works. So we're gonna start applying the mascara, and I just start at the root and then work my way up. So here I'm going in with coat number 2. And this mascara layers really nicely. You can go in with 3 coats and you can still see each individual lash. The brush actually holds a lot of product at the very tip, so if you want to go in with that, you can really grab the base of the lash and make them very, very voluminous and black, and then just wiggle upwards, and it gives you so much volume. So as you guys can see, I have mascara on one eye, and then on the other eye I do not have any mascara, so this is a really good before and after that you guys can see. This mascara opens up your eyes so much, and the formula is more on the dry side, so it's going to give you more of a fluffy lash look where you could see each lash individually. With some other mascaras, they do have more of a wet formula, which add a lot of clumpiness, and they also make the lashes kind of stick together, so they don't give you that fluffy, full, voluminous look. I also wanted to mention to you guys that this mascara curls your lashes really well, and I am the type of person that my lashes just kind of stick straight out. I wear false lashes a lot. You guys who have watched my past videos know this. I never really wear my own lashes, but I really love that this curls your lashes. It really does open your eyes up, and this would make me wear my own lashes a lot more because of the fact that it really does curl them. This is a layering mascara, so you could go in with many layers of this and it's never gonna get too much, just gonna keep getting more voluminous. Now we're gonna move on to liner, and I'm gonna be using the Tattoo liner to do a cat eye. The Tattoo liner is an award-winning vegan and cruelty-free liquid liner. It has a precision tip, and it is in the shade Trooper Black, the same as the Go Big or Go Home mascara. So the tip on this is so precise that it actually was modeled after a tattoo machine. If you are a beginner, just starting makeup, or if you are really into makeup, this is very easy to use. It's all day long wear, so this is gonna last you throughout your entire day if you do plan on wearing it all day and all night. So before you use it, you wanna make sure you shake it up really well. So I like to start at the very front of my eye and work my way back. Once I get to about here, I start to draw the wing. And then I just drag the pen downwards like that, and it's super easy. So now that the mascara has really dried down, I'm gonna go in and rub it and see how smudge resistant it is. I see no flaking on my eye, and wow. So I just rubbed my eye vigorously and there was no smudging. Let's try that again. Rubbing my eye. Oh wow, okay. Wow, no smudging, you guys, absolutely no smudging. I'm rubbing it again, and there is no flaking either. So the claims on this mascara are definitely on point. There was no flaking, no smudging. I rubbed my eye so vigorously, and there is nothing on my fingers and nothing on my face. This mascara definitely feels like it would be long wear because it doesn't flake or smudge. This is perfect for someone who applies their makeup in the morning and wants to wear it all day long. This is really going to last you. And I love that it doesn't flake, because one of my biggest pet peeves is mascara that rubs on top of my eye, which is almost every mascara that I wear. It gets on my lid right here, and this one has not done that, and I've looked down so many times. I love that it is not budging right now. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial of me using the new Kat Von D Beauty Go Big or Go Home mascara. All the products I used in today's video are available at your local Sephora inside JCPenney, so if you want to shop them, be sure you head over there. And I do have a very special giveaway going on my Instagram right now, and if you guys want to check it out, I'm gonna have it linked down below. I am hosting it with Sephora inside JCPenney, and all the rules to enter are going to be on my post. So if you want to enter, be sure you head over right now. Thank you guys so much for watching once again. I will see you in my next tutorial.
Open eye, feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing.